Hey, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to get started with computer use. So all you have to do to get started is type in computer equals computer, and let's just say computer.prompt, open up Firefox. And you can see on the left here, I have my code editor opened, and on the right, I have Orgo opened. So let's just give this a run. And you can also see I ahead of time did a pip install Orgo and then set my environment variables Orgo API key and Anthropic API key. So you can see when we create a new computer and then just prompt it in English, open up Firefox, it will on the screen locate Firefox and click it. And this is actually using the AI model Claude to control it. And I can also quickly show you guys, you can also enter the commands themselves. This is an API. It's a desktop fully controllable by an API. So you can have your own AI model or any other AI model control this computer. Let's just give this a quick run here. And you can see here, this short code snippet is just opening up the main menu, clicking the terminal icon, and then typing hello. So yeah, this is just a quick video to get started, and happy programming.